welcome to the AtEdge interview series. I'm your host, Nikki, and today is going to be part 2 of 7 of the interview we did with Ransom and Mitchell a little bit ago. They're going to be talking to us about the artist portraits they did and the benefits that had on their career. Yeah, was the goal to start commercial or to start fine art or to just do both initially?
It was to create work. And then kind of see where it went. Yeah. And
I don't think we had any intention to be fine artists.
You know, I think partially, yeah, it is true. We after we started creating a few things, and we kind of knew a little bit of the art world. We'd go out to some gallery shows and stuff like that. And we've kind of looked at our body of work, and they say, look at where your work should show, or, you know, where you should show your work and who's applicable for it. And there was a couple of particular galleries here in San Francisco.
Well, I think it all started too because I had a blog back then called Ransom Notes, and I was very active and I knew a lot of artists and I was interviewing really amazing people. And then you said you wanted to do a portrait series.
Oh, yeah, right.
And it was just seemed like a natural, like, well, hey, I know all these superstar artists. Why don't we start shooting portraits of artists? Right. And artists are amazing to shoot photographs of because they don't care how they look. They don't care. They just want to create amazing. That's all they want. And so then they're willing to really embody characters and go for it.
Right.
And be grotesque or be weird or fun, you know, whatever the thing is.
And I think it was, you know, what was great about it was, as a concept, was that we decided to create artists in the style of their own work. And again, that was something that we could kind of uniquely do, of recreate the artist's work in this set or kind of three-dimensional space that they could occupy and be a part of. Well, you know, I don't know many people that could approach that kind of project, except for we had that unique skill set.
Right.
So it was really something that, again, that we could just go for.
Right.
You know,
and so we were trying to visualize as if, like, so if you went to meet this person, this is what you've seen their art, this is what they live like. Because people always assume we live in like the Haunted Mansion or something. They think we live like they're really these dark, morbid characters, and we're not. We're so normal. We're so average. Our house is colorful and
it's the mid-century Haunted Mansion.
But so that's where it kind of came from, is that how do we create stories about what these people are? Because the reality is I think most people are just kind of normal, like, you know.
Not everyone's Dolly.
Yeah.
I think even Dolly was boring.
Was like, all right, I'm going to take 5.
I think if you turned off his Instagram feed, he just was eating toast. And then through that, we just got recognized by
that body of work was quite interesting, I think, to a lot of people.
Yeah. So then, voila, we're fine artists.
Thank you for watching the AtEdge channel. I'm Elizabeth Owen, President of AtEdge. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And you can check us out on social by following the links in the description. See you next time.